welcome back to Goosebumps. Today I will show you how to bake a very nice marble texture or plain eggless vanilla cake. So we will be adding, some food coloring or maybe some chocolate syrup or some marble texture. So let's get started. So for this recipe you will be needing 1.5 cup of flour. You can use all-purpose flour, cake flour, or even maida. 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I have mixed both of them together in one bowl here. Here I will be measuring 1 cup of milk. It should be liquid milk, not with the powder. I will also be measuring 1/3 cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. This is optional. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Remember to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. So first, in the large mixing bowl, we will be placing all our dry ingredients. Our flour, our sugar, our baking soda, and our salt. Now just gently mix everything together. So after everything is well combined, you can keep your dry ingredients aside. Now we will be adding our wet ingredients. So our 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, our 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/3 cup of oil. I'm using olive oil. Now mix your wet ingredients until everything is combined. If your wet ingredients looks like this, it's good enough. Now I will be adding some of my dry ingredients slowly, little by little. And I'll just be mixing it a little bit with the spatula. So continue doing this process until you have added all your dry ingredients, but you do not have to mix it with a spatula each time. So when you've added a little, you could start whisking it. So here I've added all my batter. I'll be whisking it a little. After whisking it for some time, it should look something like this. This should be a consistency. Put this aside for some time now. Now get your cake tin. So we will just be oiling our cake tin. Use your finger. You can just move it around like this to make sure all the oil spreads out everywhere. So here I'm done oiling my tin. And I have 2 food colorings. I'm using bright red and artificial 2. So here I have added some of my food coloring into the batters. And I have some extra here, which I'm going to use normal. So now we will be slowly adding the layers. So first we'll be adding the normal one. And just spread it out a little so it comes evenly. Now the blue one in the middle, the red one. So we will continue to do this. I call this the colorful layered cake. So just continue doing this process. So we're doing some. So the way I'm doing it is first the regular one, then the blue colored one, and then the red colored one. So here I'm done with my cake, and I still have some more batter left, so I will be using those for the cupcakes. now you can just put this cake batter inside our preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. And now we will be doing our cupcakes. So here we have added some layers, we have kept this blue, and we tried to do some kind of marble design. So here we are done, and now we will be putting this in the oven. So here we have placed it in the oven. We will be putting it in for about 20 minutes. Or we will start from 15 minutes, and then slowly we will check if the cake is baked or not. So here I have taken out the cake from the oven. As you can see, I've cut a tiny slice, and the cake has been really spongy and soft. The red color has a little gone inside, and the cupcakes also turned out really nice, soft and moist. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something new and tried something new. Do remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.